So yellow jackets are actually wasps, not bees. And what makes them different is they have a smooth stinger and they can sting you multiple times. They also get agitated very easily. They're territorial and very aggressive. If you come across a hole in the ground where their nest is, it can actually go 4 feet into the ground. The nest under the ground can be the size of a soccer ball. So just the other day, I was splitting wood and I got stung in the arm by that yellow jacket. And so I ran in the house, ran to the back of the house into the bathroom, and that same yellow jacket chased me into the house and stung me in the face. You see, the yellow jackets and me, we had a really good thing going. We had a peace treaty, and then they went and did that. So what I can tell you is that they started it, but in this video, I'm gonna finish it. Let's go. We are going to try to capture them in this 2-liter bottle. What you'll need is an empty 2-liter bottle, and you can pour the ingredients of this bottle into a cup. What you want to make sure you have is a drink that is light, colored, and has sugar in it. Yellow jackets don't like to be on a diet. They love sugar. Then you're also going to want a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some dish soap, some tape, and some scissors. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to cut this 2-liter bottle right up around where the label used to be. And so we'll do that now. Put it in upside down the top of it just like this, and it fits very securely. Next thing you're going to want to do is to pour at least a cup of that soda in here. You want to put just probably a cap or 2 full of the apple cider vinegar. And the reason why you want the apple cider vinegar is it is sour. And the yellow jackets do not mind the sour taste, but the honeybees do. And honeybees are definitely your friend. They're great for the ecosystem, and you want to make sure that you don't kill a bunch of honeybees with this experiment. And the last thing you want to do is put a couple squirts of dish soap in here. And what that's going to do is to make the surface, allow it for the yellow jackets to sink into the liquid and help them drown. And then what a lot of people do is they use duct tape, regular tape, maybe even staples to help secure the top of the trap. And then that is all you need to do. One caveat is if you are doing this in the springtime, the yellow jackets seek out protein a lot during the springtime, but not so much in the fall. So what you want to do is to put a sandwich meat, a little piece of chicken, something like that, into the soda, and they will actually be more aggressive in going into your trap in the springtime if you're trying to catch them then. But since this is the fall, or almost the fall for me, late August, it is a sugary substance that they cling to the most, that they crave the most, and so that's what we're going to do. So let's see if it works. So after 2 days, the yellow jacket traps are not working. So we are going to use extreme measures. What we know is they love sugar. So we are going to use sun-kissed orange with 44 grams of sugar. And we'll do another trap with Mountain Dew that's got 46 grams of sugar. And when all else fails, we're gonna get these suckers drunk. So let's see how this goes. the soda bottle traps didn't work as well as I wanted. It only caught about 10 yellow jackets. And what I've researched is sometimes colonies have different preferences on what they want, so it's not necessarily that the traps were wrong, they were just wrong for this colony. The drone, it was fun, but I couldn't get the bees to attack them the way I wanted to, so now we're going the nuclear route. Oh, yellow jackets, it didn't have to end this way, but you decided to sting me, and now I won. Thanks for following Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.